Mohitu TV. Mohitu TV.
Hello kids, topic of today is birds. Birds. Please subscribe Mohitu Kids TV for more videos. Number 1. Eagle. In general, an eagle is any bird of prey more powerful than a petu. An eagle may resemble a vulture in build and flight characteristics, but has a fully feathered, often crested head and strong feet, equipped with great curved talons. An eagle belongs to class Aves, kingdom Animalia. Bald eagle can live alive up to 20 years, and crowned eagle can live alive 14 years. Wingspan. Golden eagle has 1.8 to 2.3 meters. Bald eagle 1.8 to 2.3 meters. Number 2. Cock. Rooster or cock is a term for an adult male bird. The adult female bird is called a hen. Rooster or cock is a term for an adult male bird. The adult female bird is called a hen. Number 3. Cranes. Cranes have a large, long neck and long-necked birds. In the group forms, cranes live on all continents except Antarctica and South America. Crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. The most beautiful bird. Number 4. Crow. A crow is a bird of the genus Corvus, or more broadly a synonym for all of the Corvus. The word crow is used as part of the common name of species. Crow. Very beautiful bird. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Very beautiful bird. Number 5. Cuckoo. This is the famous bird of Europe, whose voice is imitated by cuckoo clocks, and whose call, cuckoo, gave the name to the entire cuckoo family. It is well known as a brood parasite. Females lay their eggs in the nests of smaller birds, and their hapless host raise only young cuckoo. Number 6. Dove. Doves are amazing animals. Their capacity to find their way home over hundreds, even thousands of kilometers is unrivaled in the animal kingdom. This uncanny ability has seen them used for centuries to deliver messages for royalty, military leaders, and other notable figures. Dove. Number 7. Duck. Ducks are mostly aquatic birds, mostly smaller than the swans and geese, and may be found in both freshwater and seawater. Ducks belong to the family Annelids, class Aves, kingdom Animalia, order Anseriformes. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Number 8. Hen. The chicken, a subspecies of the red jungle fowl, is a type of domesticated fowl originally from southeastern Asia and have a lifespan of 5 to 10 years. Hen have belonged to class Aves, kingdom Animalia, family Phasianidae, order Galliformes, phylum Chordata. Hen. H-E hen. H-E-N hen. Very beautiful bird. Hen. The chicken a subspecies of the red jungle fawn. Hen. Originally from Southeastern Asia. Hen have a lifespan of 5 to 10 years. Hen. Number 9. Kingfisher. Kingfishers are a family of small to medium-sized, brightly colored birds in the order Quercus. They have a cosmopolitan distribution, with most species found in the tropical regions of Africa, Asia, and Oceania. The family contains 114 species. Kingfisher, very beautiful bird. Kingfisher. Number 10. Peacock. Peacock, also called peafowl. Peafowl is a common name for 3 bird species in the genera Pavo and Alphropavo of the family Phasianidae. The pheasants and their allies, male peafowls, are referred to as peacocks, and female peafowl are referred to as peahens. Peacock, very beautiful bird, very colorful bird. Peacock, very beautiful, very charming bird. Number 11. Ostrich. The common ostrich, or simply ostrich, is a species of large flightless bird native to certain large areas of Africa. Ostrich have a scientific name Strichiocamelus. Ostrich have a speed 70 kilomiles per hour, maximum adult running. Ostrich have a mass 63 to 140 kilogram adult. Subspecies description: height male 2.1 to 2.8 meter adult, and female 1.7 to 2 meter adult. Number 12. Bats. Bats are mammals of the order Chiroptera with their forelimbs adapted as wings. They are the only mammals capable of true and sustained flight. Bats are more mono-evolvable than birds, flying with their very long spread out digits, covered with a thin membrane or patagium. Scientific name Chiroptera. Order Chiroptera. Class Mammalia. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Clade Scroptifera. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Very delicate, very charming, very beautiful bird. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Number 13. Parrots. Parrots, also known as Psittacines. There are 398 species in 92 genera, comprising the order Psittaciformes, found mostly in tropical and subtropical regions. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Very beautiful bird. Parrots are known as Psittacines. There are 398 species in 92 genera, comprising the order Psittaciformes, found mostly in tropical and subtropical regions. Parrots. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Beautiful bird. Parrot. Number 14. Pelicans. Pelicans are genus of large water birds that make up the family Pelicanidae. They are characterized by a long beak and a large throat, pouch used for catching prey and draining water from the scooped up contents before swelling. Scientific name Pelicanus. Family Pelicanidae. Class Aves. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Order Pelicaniformes. Pelican. Very beautiful bird. Pelican. Pelican. Pelicans are genus of large water birds. They are characterized by a long beak and a large throat pouch used for catching prey. Pelican. Number 15, vulture. A vulture is a bird of prey that scavenges on carrion. There are 23 extant species of vulture. All vultures, including 16 living species native to Europe, Africa, and Asia. New world vultures are restricted to North and South America and consist of 7 identified species, all belonging to the Cathardidae family. A particular characteristic of many vultures is a bird bald head devoid of feathers. Vulture. Number 16, turkey. The turkey is a large bird in the genus Melicaris, native to North America. There are 2 extant turkey species: the wild turkey Melicaris gallopova of eastern and central North America, and the ocellated turkey Melicaris oscillata of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. Males of both turkey species have a distinctive fleshy wattle called a snoot that hangs from the top of the beak. Turkey. Very beautiful bird. Large bird in the genus Melicaris. Turkey. Number 17, sparrow. The house sparrow, Passer domesticus, is a bird of the sparrow family. Passeridae found in most parts of the world. It is a small bird that has a typical length of 16 centimeter, 6.3 inches, and in a mass of a 24 to 39.5 gram, 0.85 to 1.39 oz. Females and young birds are colored pale brown and gray, and males have brighter black, white, and brown markings. One of about 25 species in the genus Passer is the house sparrow. Is native to most of Europe and Mediterranean basin and a large part of Asia. Number 18, owl. Owls are birds from the order Strigiformes, which includes over 200 species of mostly solitary and nocturnal birds of prey, typified by an upright stance, a large broad head, binocular vision, binaural hearing, sharp talons, and feathers adapted for silent flight. Owl. Very beautiful bird. Owl. Number 19, partridge. The species of bird partridge is any member of a paraphyletic group of organisms that consist of all medium-sized non-migratory birds with a wide native distribution throughout Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. Partridge. 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 Very beautiful bird. Partridge. The species of partridge is any member of a paraphyletic group of organisms. Partridge. Number 20, woodpecker. Woodpeckers are part of the family Bisidae that also includes the piculets, wrynecks, and sapsuckers. Members of the family are found worldwide except for Australia, New Guinea, New Zealand, Madagascar, and the extreme polar regions. Most species live in the forest or woodland habitats, although a few species are known that live in treeless areas such as rocky hillsides and deserts. Woodpeckers belong to kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Aves, order Pisiformes. Woodpecker, very beautiful bird, woodpecker. Number 21, Cormorant. Phelacrocoracidae is a family of approximately 40 species of aquatic birds, commonly known as cormorants and sharks. Several different classifications of the family have been proposed and the number of genera is disputed. Cormorant, very beautiful bird, cormorant. Phelacrocoracidae is a family of approximately 40 species of aquatic birds commonly known as cormorants and sharks. Cormorant, 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 very beautiful bird, cormorant. Number 22, Cockatoo. A cockatoo is any of the 21 parrot species belonging to the family Cockatooidae, the only family in the superfamily Cockatooidae, along with the Psittacidae, true parrots and the Strigosporidae, large New Zealand parrots. They make up the order Psittaciformes. Cockatoo belong to the kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Aves, and order Psittaciformes. Cockatoo, very beautiful bird. Cockatoo, Cockatoo, cockatoo. Very beautiful bird, cockatoo.